morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. Today we are doing part B, unit 5, digital presentation, second part. Viewing a slideshow. Slideshow means presenting all the slides one by one on a full screen. A slideshow can be viewed from the beginning of the slides or from the current slides. If you have a 10 or 15 slides in your presentation, then you can show the slideshow from the first slide as well as from the 10th slide or from the 8th slide also. It means that will be a current slide. How can you show? Click on the slideshow button in the view toolbar. This is a view and there will be a slideshow, or from the beginning click on here, or from the current slide then click on this button. By pressing the F5 key from the keyboard you can also see the slideshow, and from the current slide just put the cursor on that slide and press the Shift F5 button. Inserting a new slide. How can we insert a new slide? Click on the home tab and click on the new slide. You can see this is a home tab and there will be a new slide. All the 9 layouts will be open. Which layout you want, just click on that and that new slide will be inserted. Or another method is go to the slide bar, press the right click button here and click on the new slide. Then a new slide will be inserted. Or the shortcut is Ctrl plus M to insert a new slide. Inserting text in a slide. If there is a blank slide, you have taken the blank slide and you want to insert a picture as well as a text, then how can you insert a text? Then click on the Insert tab. Here Insert tab, go to the text box. When you click on the blank slide, press the left mouse button and drag it. A text box will open and the cursor will also appear in the center of the text box. Then you can write your font, you can change the font, you can change the color of the font and size of the font as well. Copying the text in a slide. First select the text to be copied. Click on Ctrl C and Ctrl V, copy and paste. Copy, paste, cut. This is the cut, copy and paste. This is the same, it goes in the Word, in PowerPoint, in Excel. The same method is the same. Moving the text in a slide means you had cut some text and you want to paste some text from their previous location to the new location. Then you will select the text, cut, then it will goes in the clipboard, group and you will paste. Ctrl plus V, paste. Deleting the text. It is very simple. Select the text and press the delete button from the keyboard. It will delete. Views in a PowerPoint. Different views of PowerPoint helps us to edit, create and organize our presentation. Each view has a specific importance. Some views are helpful in creating a presentation and some are helpful in delivering the presentation. There are 4 types of views: normal view, slide sorter view, reading view or slide show view. What is the normal view? The simple view, the by default view is seen on your screen, is called the normal view. And slide sorter view. This view shows all the presentation slides in a miniature form or like in a thumbnail view. You can see there are 5 slides in your presentation, but when you click on the slide sorter view, all the slides will arrange in a thumbnail view or a miniature view. In this view, you can change the order of the slides. You can drag here from up and down and left and right. Then you can change the order of the slide and you can delete or add the slides also. By right clicking on any slide, press the delete button, the particular slide will be deleted. Reading view. Reading view is used when you want to view a presentation just like slideshow, but not on full screen. This will display the title bar and the status bar also. In this view, you cannot change any text on the slide or make any other changes. As you can see, this is the reading view, but in this view, you can see this is the title bar and this is the status bar. Slideshow view. This is a full screen presentation mode that shows the presentation slides on full monitor or the projector screen with all multimedia animation effects applied on these. I already told you that F5 is the shortcut key to view the slideshow. Thank you.